Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Odyssey timing belt. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a torque wrench and a crankshaft pulley holder. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery cable. Next, you will need to drain the engine coolant and remove the accessory drive belts. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your vehicle. Now, let's get to accessing the timing belt. Begin by supporting the engine and removing the passenger side engine mount and its bracket. This provides crucial space. Next, use a crankshaft pulley holder and a breaker bar to remove the crankshaft pulley bolt, then the pulley itself. Finally, carefully detach the upper and lower timing belt covers to expose the timing belt and its components. With the belt exposed, the next critical step is aligning the timing marks. Rotate the crankshaft until the marks on the crankshaft and camshafts align perfectly. This ensures proper engine timing. Then, loosen the timing belt tensioner and carefully remove the old belt. Install the new timing belt, making sure it is seated correctly on all pulleys. Finally, adjust the tensioner to the manufacturer's specifications. After installing the new timing belt, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reinstall the lower and upper timing belt covers, followed by the crankshaft pulley and its bolt, torquing it to specification. Reattach the engine mount and accessory drive belts. Finally, refill the cooling system with the correct type and amount of coolant. Start the engine, listen for any unusual noises, and check for leaks to confirm a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.